Do you have issues with nasal breathing during your workouts? Well, I've got a product that I need to show you right now. Hi guys, I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Floch Fitness is all about health, wellness, and longevity for the aging athletes. So whether it's exercise videos, nutrition tutorials, podcasts, or product reviews like these, you're gonna wanna hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date in all of our latest content. Zac Cupples last week featured the Rhinomed Mute Nasal Dilator on his YouTube channel. As soon as I saw it, it was
shut up and take my money.
The way he made this thing look, it made it seem like his entire world flipped upside down for the better. So I knew I'd had to try this out for myself and give you guys my honest review. So I ordered the nasal dilator from Amazon for like 15 bucks. I got it and I tried it on right away. First off, for me, it was very hard to fit in my nose, and turns out I've got very, very small nostrils relative to especially Zac Cupples, who was working with a medium. I have like a small and it barely fits in my nose. As I sat around my house, worked on the computer, really didn't see that much of an effect. That being said, I just tried this out during my workout and holy crap, night and day. Let me show you what happens when your breathing rate increases and your breathing volume increases. So this is what it sounds like without it in my nose. And you can see that I have a major collapse due to a deviated septum on my left nostril. My right side does collapse in just a bit, but it's not nearly as significant. One more time. Now, listen what this sounds like when I have the Rhinomed Mute Nasal Dilator in my nose. Slides right in. You can see that there's a significant difference in my breathing volume and the lack of collapse on my nose. For a person like me who's practicing nasal breathing, this is an absolute game changer. And for $15, I would deem this pound for pound the most valuable product that I've ever tried in my life. I would definitely order one yourself. Click the link down in the comments below. Remember, Amazon, free returns, free delivery, no really risk here. If it doesn't work, you just send it back. I found this as a hugely valuable product and I just wanted to share it with you guys. That's all for today, but if you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below, and while you're down there, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date in all of our latest content. I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. Breathe easy and have an awesome day.